Question number 35. 21x squared plus 8x plus 2 divided by ax minus 1 is equal to 7x plus 5 plus 7 over ax minus 1. In the equation above, a is a constant and ax minus 1 is not equal to 0. What is the value of a? 21x squared plus 8x plus 2 divided by ax minus 1 can be written as a fraction, and that's equal to 7x plus 5 plus 7 over ax minus 1. First, we need to have the common denominator, so I'm going to multiply 7x plus 5 over 1 with ax minus 1 on the numerator and the denominator. Then we get ax minus 1 times 7x plus 5 over ax minus 1 plus 7 over ax minus 1. Let's distribute. Ax times 7x is 7ax squared. Ax times 5 is plus 5ax. Negative 1 times 7x is negative 7x. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5 over ax minus 1 plus 7 over ax minus 1. Since we have the common denominator, we can add the numerators. Then we get 7 ax squared plus 5ax minus 7x minus 5 plus 7 over ax minus 1. We can add the negative 5 and 7. That's equal to plus 2 over ax minus 1. Since we have the same denominator, we can set the numerators equal to each other. We have 21x squared plus 8x plus 2 is equal to 7ax squared plus 5ax minus 7x plus 2. 21x squared is equal to 7ax squared. You see it has x squared and x squared. You know that 21 is equal to 7a. 21 is equal to 7a. We divide it by 7 to solve for a. Then a is equal to 3. Let's check. You know that 5ax minus 7x has to equal to 8x. Therefore, 5a minus 7 has to equal to 8. Let's solve for a. We add a 7 on both sides. We get 5a is equal to 15. We divide it by 5. A is equal to 3. So it was right. Therefore, a is equal to 3. Question number 36. What is the value of 5 to the 2p plus q times 5 to the 2p minus q over 5 to the 4p plus 2? First, we need to simplify the numerator by using the first property. We're multiplying, so we add the exponents together. 5 to the 2p plus q plus 2p minus q over 5 to the 4p plus 2. Let's simplify. 2p plus 2p is equal to 4p. Q minus q is equal to 0. So we just have 5 to the 4p on the numerator. We have 5 to the 4p plus 2 on the denominator. Now let's use the second property. We're dividing, so we subtract the exponents. 5 to the 4p minus, make sure you put 4p plus 2 in parentheses. And let's distribute the negative. Then we get 5 4p minus 4p minus 2. 4p minus 4p is equal to 0. Then we just have 5 to the negative 2. And we use the third property. Since we have the negative exponent, we put 1 over to make the exponent positive. So we put 1 over 5 squared. 5 squared is equal to 25. So we have 1 over 25. So answer is B.